Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best orange slices is probably one of the most refreshing and convenient ways to enjoy the vibrant flavor of oranges, offering a burst of citrusy goodness in every bite. These pre-peeled and segmented delights are perfect for on-the-go snacking, adding a zesty twist to salads, or even as a delightful topping for desserts, making them a versatile and healthy choice for any occasion. Number 5. Oranfit dried orange slices 3 ounces 85g. Introducing Oranfit dried orange slices, a healthy and delicious snack. Each pack contains approximately 23 to 37 beautifully colored slices. These dried fruit slices are made with just one ingredient, pure oranges. They are naturally sweet and contain less than 8% water content. Enjoy their dry and crisp texture, which also makes them less prone to damage. They are perfect for snacking on the go. Our reliable production process ensures vibrant colors and high quality. Each package is carefully handled to prevent any damage or debris. These dried orange slices are food grade and perfectly edible. They are a wholesome choice for you and your family. What we like. These are naturally dried orange slices with a satisfying crispness. They contain no added ingredients, making them a pure fruit snack. If you are looking for a healthy and simple snack, or a natural addition to your beverages, you should consider this option. What people say. The slices are uniform and well preserved, which makes everything look neat and intentional instead of messy. The color is vibrant and eye-catching, and they don't look dull or faded at all. These are perfect for my orange slice garland. They smell great and are nice and dry. The slices are sturdy. I've never worked with them before. I thought they would be fragile, but they are not. None of them were broken and the color was perfect, nice bright and orange. Great color and perfect size. None were broken. They arrived in a box with packing paper and were completely protected. They're all thinly sliced so the color shines through, and they're perfectly flat. Super easy to string or simply tuck into tree branches. Number 4. Sarah's Candy Factory Orange Slice Candy 5 pounds. Get ready for a delightful citrus experience. These orange slice candies are bursting with tangy, sweet flavor. This generous 5-pound bag ensures you have plenty to share, or to enjoy all to yourself. They're perfect for parties, candy dishes, or just satisfying your sweet tooth anytime. Enjoy the classic taste of orange slice candy that everyone loves. It's a timeless treat. Brought to you by Sarah's Candy Factory, known for quality and delicious treats. Go ahead and indulge your cravings with these chewy and flavorful candies. They're sure to become a favorite. What we like. This is a chewy, sweet candy with assorted flavors. It's a classic old-fashioned treat perfect for satisfying a sweet tooth. If you enjoy traditional candy and want a variety of fruity flavors, you should consider this for your home or office. What people say. The smell of orange when you open the bag is intoxicating. And the taste so full of orange delight. Very fresh and tasty. Soft and melt in your mouth. They are great, loaded with orange flavor and do not break apart in your mouth. Number 3. Sarah's Candy Factory Orange Slice Candy. Enjoy classic, bite-sized fruit slices with a chewy texture and mouth-watering sweet taste. This old-fashioned assorted candy is perfect for everyone, all ages. These orange-flavored, bite-sized candies are great for any occasion. They're perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth at home, at work, or anywhere you need a little treat. This generous 2.5-pound bag ensures you have plenty to share. The convenient resealable design keeps your candy fresh and ready to enjoy. Experience the timeless appeal of these chewy orange slices. Their delightful flavor is sure to bring a smile to your face. Whether for after-dinner treats, break room snacks, or a simple sweet indulgence, these candies are a crowd pleaser. They offer a burst of fruity flavor in every bite. Repacked with care by Sarah's Candy Factory, you can trust the quality and freshness of these delicious candies. Enjoy a taste of tradition. What we like. This candy comes in a convenient resealable bag, offering bite-sized chewy wedges in assorted flavors. It's designed for easy sharing and enjoyment anywhere. If you need a convenient, portion-controlled sweet treat for parties, work breaks, or personal enjoyment, this is a great choice. What people say. The smell of orange when you open the bag is intoxicating. And the taste so full of orange delight. Very fresh and tasty. Soft and melt in your mouth. They are great, loaded with orange flavor and do not break apart in your mouth. Number 2. Fruit Slices Candy, Orange. Introducing our vibrant orange-flavored fruit slices. Each piece bursts with a zesty, citrusy flavor that's sure to brighten your day. Experience the refreshing taste of real oranges in every bite. These chewy candies are perfect for a sweet treat anytime. This generous 5-pound bag is ideal for parties, events, or simply stocking up your pantry. Share the deliciousness with everyone. Each fruit slice is individually wrapped for freshness and convenience. Enjoy a clean and satisfying treat on the go. These classic fruit slices are a timeless favorite for all ages. Indulge in the sweet and tangy sensation that never goes out of style. What we like. This is a large 5-pound bag of classic orange-flavored fruit slice candy. It offers a bulk option for those who love this specific treat. If you're stocking up for events, a candy store, or simply can't get enough of this orange candy, this large format is ideal. What people say. These new slices are delicious. They burst with a tangy orange flavor, far superior to the traditional orange slices available for the past several years. The slices are much thinner, and are orange color on one side and yellow color on the other side, left-right, not front-back, dot. None of the candy was stuck together, all were fresh and chewy. It has a good, strong orange flavor, and no misshapen weird pieces at the bottom. Number 1. Barrel Roll Bar Essentials USA Grown Dried Orange Slices. Complete your drink with an elegant garnish. These dried orange slices are a unique and tasteful addition, jazzing up your presentation and adding a subtle tangy flavor. Made by hand in the USA with California-grown oranges, our dehydration process is simple and chemical-free. Enjoy the natural taste with no additives or preservatives. We hand slice and dehydrate our oranges in small batches to preserve quality. Stored in a reusable jar, they are perfect for parties or as gifts. These dehydrated orange slices are the perfect cocktail garnish. They also have a long shelf life and can be used for snacking, baking, or garnishing teas and desserts. We take the effort out of preparing drinks. Made with real ingredients, our bar essentials ensure your drinks are of the best quality. Experience a bite of pure sunshine with every slice. They offer a refreshing and natural citrus snack option. What we like. These are USA-grown, preservative-free dried orange slices perfect for cocktails. They add an elegant touch and subtle citrus flavor to drinks. If you are a home bartender or host who wants to elevate your beverage presentation and offer a natural, high-quality garnish, you should choose this. What people say. Lots of orange flavor. Great quality. These are a great addition to my home bar. Exactly what I needed for a wonderful cocktail party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.